I had been searching on other websites, but I couldn't find the stories or the records I was really looking for. Luckily, a friend told me about Genealogy Bank, and when I tried it, I was able to confirm that I actually have Native American relatives. So I traced my family back to the Cherokee Nation. I found birth notices, tribal newspaper articles. First of all, it completely changed the way I see myself. It also pushed me to learn more about a culture I didn't really know before, and in a way, to feel proud of it. I can't wait to share this with my parents and my daughter. Here's how you can do it. Step 1, enter your name. Step 2, discover hidden stories. Step 3, explore collections organized by time, place, and ethnicity, from African American newspapers dating back to 1827 to Native American tribal publications spanning over 300 years.